So this video is more likely a kind of a trade recap in which I'll talk about what are the things which I did in the trades. But you know what the biggest thing we face in trading is that emotions. We don't deal good with emotions, and I'm going to talk about the thing that what is the way that we can control that thing and how we are supposed to win that thing. And most people, well, they are trading, they win the technical analysis, they win the risk management, but what they never win is the fucking emotions, and that is psychological edge. They are not able to master that for like years and years of time, and after even putting like 5 6 years, there are some traders who again loses another 50 60K just because of that single thing. So that's what I'm going to talk about in this video. So let's focus on the charts for today, and it's going to be kind of a more practical video than the usual psychological video. So this one will help you out more because I have promised you that I'm going to bring more technical videos. So today's weekend, and I'm planning to tell you all about this stuff. Just took a bath before the video, so because it's right now it's 10 p.m. here, and I was feeling sleepy, but now I'm going to give you my whole energy and my whole value I can provide in this video. So let's begin. Watch till the end and you'll probably get a lot of value from this video. So first of all, I would like to show you one of my trades from the last week, and what's the mistake I did there. So what usually happens, so like the last one week starts from Monday. So here's the Monday London session and Tokyo, and then we go for New York. So basically it's the MNQ, the future trading for Nasdaq, and I use prop firms for it. So the thing here is I don't trade on Monday, so Monday is ignored. Then I went to Tuesday. I planned one trade, but I didn't got the entry. It was a win, but I didn't got the entry. Then I did another trade in the New York session. So in this trade, I did a very small mistake. It's related to technical analysis. So basically, it was against my edge. So I had one loss. Basically, I lost like $300 something in this fund, and then another day, it's basically the Wednesday. And what happened on that day that I saw an opportunity happening in the trade, but again another technical mistake I did, and when the moment I realized it was already halfway there to the loss, and then I exited, and luckily it went to the SL and I exited early, so I saved myself, which is not a good thing with my setup because I have promised myself that I'll not exit a trade manually. I'll only exit just through take profit or through stop loss. So what happened? What I did on Wednesday, I had to face that thing on Friday, which made me another loss even though I was winning. So I'll show you what happened. So it's basically the Friday, this one. So lot of movement on Friday, and all these errors are just my prediction for Monday. So don't look towards that thing. It doesn't matter. So let's focus on the thing. So here's the thing. I took a trade at this point. I did a short, and according to all my analysis, it was going to go down. So what happened? I had two losses earlier. So psychologically, I was thinking that it's not going right. I already took my account way down, and this way I will lose a lot of money. So in this trade, I risked less money, means less risk management, and there was no proper risk management. And what basically happened here is that a big one, a big mistake. I myself exited at break even. And why I did was, well, the market went a little bit down, and then it went to upside, then down, and then upside, and I exited at the break even because I thought it's going to go for my SL. And after exiting, the market went almost to my SL, and I thought I felt very glad for that, and it felt like that I have won. But you know what happened? Just before before it hit my SL, it planned to return to the TP, and that was a big guilty point for me, big regret point for me. So what basically happens at the points, psychologically, what we used to do is that we are making losses, like 2 losses, 3 losses, and the day we are supposed to make the day profit, we fuck up. We exit that trade, and we exit our break even over at a very small loss or at a very small profit, and we end up ruining our trading system and our win rate and our risk to reward ratio. This is the reason why we are not able to win the prop firm game. So buddy, if you actually want to get out of this thing, you actually want to make a lot of money with this thing, You wanna trade in future markets or forex market, but you are not ready to risk what you actually put on screen. Like, you're risking $300 on the screen, but in your subconscious mind you haven't accepted that loss. You are not ready to think that I'm fine losing that 300, and at the moment when it reaches that $50 loss, you are like, damn, I need to exit. And after just exiting it, go for your GP and make you fucking $800. And that is a very dumb ass thing. And you have to stop this thing in order to make money with the markets, because these things gonna take away either your years and years of time, or the best smart thing is to control yourself and accept the risk. And maybe you will hit some 2 3 4 SLs, maybe you will lose 2 3 funded accounts, but after that you will be able to make money. And after that one withdraw, you will be able to take out all of that losses, and moreover you would be even be profitable with that one. So these things is what matters most in the markets, and what we are supposed to do is to follow our plan. There are three pillars: the technical edge, the psychological edge, and the risk management edge. Sometimes we follow one, sometimes we follow two, and rarely we follow three, and that's a rare one. And the moment you will follow the three, you will start to make profits. And sometimes we follow none, and at that point we usually blow the accounts. Obviously you're supposed to risk 200, you're risking fucking 600 in the trade. And when you do something like that, what happens? You risk more, you didn't did well technical analysis also, and then you fuck up with the psychology also, and you end up losing your accounts by doing such things. So stop doing that thing. This is the only way if you want to break out of that thing. So what are the ways that how you can get rid out of this thing? How you can control your emotions when you are trading? So there is one simple way I can suggest you. If you're not a scalper, you are trading like for 1 or 2 hours, what I suggest you is to basically go here. If you took an entry at this point and you have put a limit order here, so put an alert here. Just click this point, add alert. So the moment it will reach, you will get an alert and you got the entry. Then put alert on SL and put alert on TP. The moment it hits either SL and TP, go and just check whether it actually executed, the order actually got executed. And once it does, you can leave it at, because sometimes what happens that alert comes and sometimes order doesn't got executed during the news times, or maybe there high volatility in the market, and we end up not be able to executing that order. So the better thing is that you need to check those things also. But the good thing is that when you put the trades like this, and you can go for like a walk, you can take your phone with yourself, you can read a book, or maybe if like it's your free time, you can maybe relax a bit, you can watch a movie, or you know, that is also a good thing that will help you to relax. Or maybe you can watch any podcast, that is a bad thing. Or you can focus on any other skill if you are learning, if you are learning any other business model, or maybe you are learning something else. It could be anything like language, any skill. That things are much better to just keep on looking the charts just like this, just like a fucking owl. You're looking like this always to the screen, and you are getting fucking this bags here, and it's ruining your looks too, and ruining your skin too, and taking your fucking hairs too. So it's better to just fucking relax with this thing and give the time to the market, and keep your health always the primary. Then all you would be able to make profits with the markets. So it's that much pretty simple to control your emotion. It's not that much of a big deal. I have already shown you that what mistake I did last week, which I'm not going to repeat. I know it's just a part of the game, and it will keep on happening in future. But you know what the good thing is? If you keep on trying to improve these things, you would be able to do good with these things in long term. So That was the most important thing I wanted to share with you guys. And moreover, if you guys have any doubt, you want to talk about technical analysis, you want to talk about any other stuff, you want any more trade recap, you have any psychological questions, any technical questions, or you want me to make any video about any particular topic, you can just comment me down. That's all. I would really appreciate if you just give a like to this video. That's all I expect from your side. And keep on following me, guys. I'll help you a lot in the upcoming time, and we'll grow together. So that's all for today. Keep grinding. See ya.